Inside of M-Series, there are virtual playback buttons, which allow you to place more playback buttons on your touchscreen, but these playback buttons are not mapped to a physical fader or button. To access these, we're going to go ahead, if we're using the default workspaces, and go to Playback. Then we're able to access these playback buttons here on the left side. You can also access this window by using the launch views and finding the window under Playback and Playback buttons. There's a few things I want to show you about this window. The first is that you can click to play any of the playbacks on the screen. Here at the top, you can also change to make your click always go, pause, release, select, or actions. When you choose actions, it's going to bring up this fader with the playback buttons when you just click once. If you leave it as custom, the cue list will execute the up and down function assignment of that cue list. This is set in the cue list options window. Within the playback buttons window, you can easily move, copy, and delete playback buttons using the move, copy, and delete functions here on the keypad. Simply go, press copy, move, or delete. I'll press copy in this case. Press the cue list that you want to copy, and press the destination where you want it to go. The command will then execute and you're good to go. Move and delete work exactly the same way, but instead of pressing the copy key, you would press move or delete. As you can see here in the demo file, you can also color code your playbacks just like in the main cue list directory. Refer to the video on the cue list directory for information on how to color the cue lists. Virtual playback buttons are stored in pages, and you can use the up and down arrows to switch between the pages that you can see at the top here. Pages are just simply groups of 10 by 10 grids, each containing 100 cues to help keep you organized.